Hey everyone, and welcome to this 3D robotic arm tutorial. In this tutorial we will be modeling this blue link for the robotic arm. So let's begin. So first open a new part file and click OK button. After that change the background to plain white. This is optional, but make sure that you are working in MMGS as units. After that select the top plane and click on sketch. And first I will create a reference midpoint line. So I will create this line and I will make sure that this is horizontal, so I will assign a horizontal relation to this one. And now this is at 0 degree, so select this line and make it as construction geometry, which means that this line is now turned into the center line. Now create two circles here at the same point, and after that I will assign the length of this line. So this is going to be 500 millimeters. The diameter of this circle is 150 and the diameter of the other one is going to be 90. Okay. After that I will create another midpoint line at this yellow quadrant of the circle, and I will make it again as construction geometry, and I will make sure that this is vertical, so I will assign vertical relation to this. After that I will specify the length of this reference line as 100. Okay. After that I will select a center line and I will create here again a vertical center line. I will assign a vertical relation to this one, and then I will select a 3-point arc, and from this point to any point but not the yellow dot of this vertical center line, and then I will specify the distance between these 2 points as 40 millimeters, and I will specify the radius of this arc as 3130. Okay. After that I will select another 3-point arc and I will create an arc like this, and I will specify the radius of this arc as well. So this is going to be 65 millimeters. Okay. Now I will hold the control key. I will select this arc, I will select this circle and make relation tangent, and similarly hold control key, select these two arcs, make relation tangent. Okay. Now the sketch is fully defined. So now I will select the mirror entities and I will select this circle and these two arcs, 1 2. All of these are selected over here. In mirror about, select this window and select then the vertical center line and simply check the box. So the sketch is mirror about the vertical center line. Again select the mirror entities, and in above window you need to select these 4 arcs, and in mirror about window select this horizontal reference line, and it's gonna get mirrored like this. After that you need to check the box. Now select extruded boss face, and in this contour window you need to select this contour window and select this region and this middle region, and then you need to specify the height, which is 70 millimeter, and after that you need to check the box. Okay, so we are left with a few more commands, but before that I will specify some material for better visualization. So I'm going to specify this blue one. Okay, now select this face and click on sketch. Okay, and after that you need to select this inner circular edge and click on convert entities, so a circle will be created. Go to feature, select extruded boss face, and we will extrude it in 2 directions. So here we have the direction 1. You need to specify here blind, and 100 millimeter is going to be the length of extrusion. Enable direction 2 from here. You need to check the direction 2 box and here specify up to surface. So in this you need to select this face. So in our direction 1 you need to verify that where is the sketch. This black color is our sketch. This is direction 1 and direction 2 is in the opposite direction, and then you need to check the box. So our part is ready. Now you can turn on real graphics if you have this. This is an optional thing. So we will be using this link in our robotic arm assembly. So you need to then save this file, and I'm saving this file in a folder of robotic arm, and this is our link number 2. So that's all for this tutorial guys. Thanks for watching.